CP. The antenna type performs well in receiving signals. Okay. The CP must mean circular polarized. Okay. So we talked about the circular polarized. It's the one that has a helix around it, and it will shoot out signals from all sides of the antenna. Okay. Your patch antenna. A patch antenna, guys, is a giant. It literally looks like this. This can be a patch antenna, but it comes with a stick. A patch antenna is a linear antenna, which means this whole thing is the antenna. So the drone can fly in any of this, but it has to be facing the drone. Remember, linear means it has to be a line, a direct line to the drone. Okay. So these patch antennas, you used to literally have a handle and move it as you fly the drone. Not a single person ever in existence uses patch antennas anymore, because how the hell am I supposed to be flying my drone and now moving this thing as well? Okay, you don't. Yeah, that's right. Okay, then you've got a monopole linear. It is effective. It's best for children's toys. Why? Because you still have to follow the drone like this. Monopole just means one pole. Okay, a pole is literally the antenna itself, is the pole. Okay, and then you've got your helical. Your helical antennas are basically your circular polarized antennas. They have that thing that goes around they have the antenna here, and then they have the strand, okay, that goes around, and the strand is actually that piece of metal that then sends out. Okay, so the antenna for us humans would be our voice box, but the strand would be our lips or our mouths that actually release the sound out of our bodies. Okay. Cool. Righto. Basic antenna care, guys. Number 1, don't smash your antennas. Number 2, don't wrap your antennas in tin foil. Number 3, I think you get the picture, right? There's not much that you need to know about antenna care. Why? Because all you really need to know is to look after your antennas. That's it. Don't be snapping them. Don't be tugging at them until they come off. Don't be doing stupid stuff with your equipment. Okay, it's pretty much that simple. All right.